Hear the drums calling from the hills. Feel the rhythm flowing through the valleys. Every journey has a meaning. Every heart has a destination. One love. Yeah. When the morning sun start rising and the shadows disappear, me take another step forward with a heart that has no fear. The breeze whisper through the palm trees like a message from the past, telling me that every struggle never meant for always last. Me have traveled through the darkness, searching for a brighter way. I have carried many questions, waiting for a better day. But the lessons from the journey help me understand the truth. Every dream begins with courage, every future starts with you. Me no let the world change my spirit, me no let the pain decide. Me keep love as me protection and keep faith right by my side. For the heart that stays forgiving will discover inner peace, and the soul that spreads compassion find a joy that never cease. When the road feel long and lonely and the mountain hard to climb, keep believing in tomorrow. Everything has its own time. The road of hope leading us along through the rivers and the valleys. We keep moving strong, one love inside we, like a flame that always glow through the sunshine, through the rain. A better day will show. Morning wake across the village with the sound of working hands. People building dreams together, making stronger homes and lands. The farmer care for nature with respect for every seed. The fisherman brave the ocean, providing what the people need. The baker rise before the daylight, making food for everyone. The builder shape another shelter underneath the golden sun. The teacher share knowledge freely, opening doors that lead ahead. Every lesson planted wisely can inspire what comes instead. The elders tell the younger generation about patience and respect. How the choices we make daily shape the future we protect. Youth them carry dreams and visions like the stars above the sea. With determination and kindness, them can be whatever them need. When the evening sky turns purple and the moon begins to rise, hear the reggae rhythm calling from the earth into the skies. Bassline rolling like the ocean, drums beating deep and slow. Every melody a blessing, every harmony a glow. People gather in a unity, sharing laughter and good vibes. Different stories, different journeys, but one love within our lives. Music break away the barriers that divide the human race. Music bring the hearts together with a smile upon each face. If you see a soul that's tired, give them strength to carry on. If you see somebody searching, help them find another dawn. Kindness can become a river flowing farther than we know. Every little act of goodness helps another person grow. Like the tree with roots beneath it, stand firm through every storm. Like the eagle in the heavens, rise above what does your harm. Like the ocean never ending, keep your dreams alive. Teach the children about compassion. Let respect become the way. Protect the earth and all creation, for tomorrow and today. Every seed of love we planted will become a field of grace. Every heart that chooses kindness can transform the human race. When we look back on the footsteps that me leave upon the ground, we see every single moment had a purpose to be found. Every friend and every stranger, every blessing, every test, they'll create the road before me. Help me always do me best. So me sing beneath the sunrise with gratitude and pride, knowing just love and mercy always walking by my side. May the song reach every corner, may the message travel far, may every soul discover the light inside their heart. The road of hope, forever we will go. With one love inside we let compassion always grow. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we will rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame forever. Praise God's name. Yeah, yeah. God still calling, dreams still growing, art still healing, music still flowing. One love forever, Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah, Rastafari. Hear the ancient drums calling, feel the heartbeat of the earth. From the roots beneath the ground to the stars above the sky, one love. Yeah. When the morning touch the valley and the mist begin to rise, me see the beauty of creation stretching underneath the skies. The river flowing through the forest like a story from the past, reminding every living creature nothing beautiful can last. The trees stand tall through every season, holding stories in them roots, like the elders passing wisdom, sharing life and precious truths. Me learn patience from the ocean, me learn courage from this stone. Every journey that me travel teach me how to find me home. Me have faced the winds of trouble, seen the darkest clouds appear, but me never let them break me, because faith is always near. Every challenge bring a lesson, every fall can make you rise. When you walk with love and purpose, you will find the strength inside. Oh, when the road become uncertain and the future hard to see, hold on tight to hope and kindness, let your spirit stay free. Roots beneath the ground keep us standing strong, through the storm and through the sunshine we keep moving along. One love in our heart, a fire never die. Like the eagle in the morning, we will rise up to the sky. Morning wake across the village with the sound our working hands, people building dreams together, making better homes and lands. The farmer tend the garden with respect for earth and rain, knowing every little harvest comes from patience and from pain. The fisherman upon the water, watching waves beneath the sun, facing every changing current till another day is done. The carpenter shaped the timber, turning stream, children running through the pathway with imagination bright, carrying hopes for tomorrow like a candle in a night. Elders sitting by the doorway, sharing stories from before, keeping memories alive, so them never lost no more. When the evening moon is shining and the stars begin to glow, hear the reggae drums awakening with a rhythm deep and slow. Bassline rolling through the village like a heartbeat from the land. Every voice become a message, every person pull on. Music bring together strangers, breaking walls we never need, showing love can grow much stronger when compassion plant the seed. No matter where somebody come from, no matter what road them walk, every soul deserves respect, every heart deserves a talk. Yeah, if you see somebody struggling, give a little of your time. Sometimes just a word of comfort, help another person climb. Small actions create big changes, like a river start from rain. Love can heal a wounded spirit, love can bring the sun again. Hey, like the roots beneath the soil, keep your voice through the tide. Like the mountain facing weather, stand up tall and grow together. Like the ocean, wide and deep, all the promises you keep. Like the sunrise of the night, walk forever toward the light. Hey, teach the youth about compassion, teach them truth and teach them care. Show them kindness is a treasure, more than anything compared. Protect the earth that gives us living, honor all that Jah create. Every generation has a duty to make tomorrow great. Years may pass and seasons change, life may travel far and wide, still the roots remain connected, always keeping us inside. Every memory is a river, every moment is a song, every person leaves a footprint, showing where they once belonged. Me no seek a life of glory or a name above the rest. Me just want to leave behind me love and kindness at me best. If me words can bring somebody hope when everything feels low, then my journey has a purpose, and my spirit still will grow. Roots beneath the ground, forever holding strong. One love keep the fire burning, like an everlasting sun. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the faith, love will never end. Yeah, our roots deep, heart strong, music living, love flowing from the earth to the sky. One love forever, Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari, feel the island breeze, hear the waves upon the shore. Let the music lift your soul. One love forever. Oh. Hey. Early morning by the harbor, early morning by the harbor, golden sunshine touch the water. Fishing boats begin to sail, following the
trail. Palm leaves dancing in the breeze, whispering through mango trees. Every heartbeat find a rhyme, moving with the hands of time. Barefoot children laugh together, running free in any weather. Their smiles brighter than the dawn, like new hope is being born. Mothers singing while them cook, fathers resting by the brook. Every home a melody, filled with love and harmony. Me have learned through every mile, keep a grateful heart and smile. Life may bend like bamboo tree, still it stands so proud and free. Storms may shake the tallest hill, but a faithful heart stands still. Jah provide what we require, keeping hope alive like fire. Lift your eyes beyond the pain, every cloud will lose its rain. Hold the faith and never cease, walk each day in love and peace. Sweet reggae breeze, blowing through the trees, carry every prayer so high, floating to the endless sky. One love, one family, living strong and living free. Through the sunshine, through the rain, joy will always rise again. Yeah. Evening market full of laughter, music echo long thereafter. Old guitar and steady drum, calling everyone to come. Neighbors gather in the square, sharing stories everywhere. Young and old, all sing as one, celebrating setting sun. The baker rise before daylight, baking bread so warm and bright. The carpenter with patient hand, building dreams across the land. The tailor stitch another seam, helping someone wear a dream. Every worker, every trade adds another joyful shade. No one stand above another, every sister, every brother, different journeys, different names. Still we share this self-same flame. Kindness is the richest gold, worth much more than wealth untold. When the stars begin to sparkle, when the stars begin to sparkle, and the crickets sing so gentle, bass line shake the village ground, with a warm and peaceful sound. Naya bingy drums beat slow and deep, awakening the dreams we keep. Voices blend beneath the moon, hearts united by the tune. If your neighbors stumble low, help them rise and onward go. If you're strange and need a friend, open arms without pretend. Every blessing that we share, multiply beyond compare. Love return 1,000 ways, brightening all our future days. Like the ocean kiss the sand, peace should cover every land. Like the rainbow after rain, hope can bloom again, again. Like the sunrise every dawn, darkest night is always dawn. Stand together proud and true, let compassion shine through you. Teach the youth to love creation, honor every tribe and nation. Guard the forest, guard the sea, leave a world that's wild and free. Every seed of kindness grown turns tomorrow into home. Sweet reggae breeze, flowing through the trees, carry songs of unity across every land and sea. One love lights the way, brighter with each passing day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, Rastafari. Yeah. Rastafari. Hear the waves at town, feel the breeze a move. Every ocean has a story, every heart has a song. One love. When the morning light come creeping and the darkness fade away, me see blessings all around me. In the beauty of the day, the ocean shining like a mirror, reflecting colors from the sky. And the birds above the water dance together as them fly. Me remember all the journeys, all the roads me had to walk, all the lessons from the struggles, all the wisdom from the top. Every mountain that me climb up, every river that me cross, made me stronger through the years, made me understand the cost. Me no carry heavy anger, me no let resentment grow. Me choose love as me companion, everywhere me choose to go. For the heart that learns forgiveness finds a freedom deep inside, and the soul that walks with kindness always has a faithful guide. Oh, when the waves become so high, keep your vision on the sky. When the wind begins to blow, let your inner strength still grow. Ocean of blessings flowing endlessly, carrying love and hope across the land and sea. One heart, one family, living in harmony through the sunshine, through the rain. Love will rise again. Morning wake across the island with the sound of busy feet, people moving with a purpose, making life feel complete. The market filled with colors and the laughter fill the air, showing simple joyful moments are the treasures we can share. The farmer touched the soil gently, giving thanks for every seed. The fisherman faced the ocean, providing what the people need. The builder raised the walls of shelter with determination strong. The musician writes a melody, turning feelings into song. The teacher shared the gift of knowledge like a river flowing wide, helping young minds find direction with wisdom as a guide. Every person has a purpose, every dream can find a way. Every candle has a power when it shines into the day. Oh, yeah. When the evening stars awaken and the moon begins to glow, hear the reggae drums returning with a rhythm deep and slow. Bass line moving through the village, guitar singing soft and bright. Every voice become a blessing, filling up the peaceful night. People gather by the shoreline, sharing stories under stars. Music traveling like a river, reaching places near and far. No matter where somebody come from, no matter what road them choose, every soul deserves compassion, every heart deserves good news. If you see somebody struggling, give them courage to stand tall. If you see somebody falling, be the hand that help them all. Small acts of love and mercy can create a brighter world. Like the waves upon the ocean, let kindness always unfurl. Like the palm tree in a storm, stand with patience, stay strong. Like the river through the valley, keep moving along. Like the stars above the water, keep your light shining clear. Like the sunrise after darkness, no tomorrow will appear. Teach the youth about respect, let compassion be the way. Protect the earth and all creation, for tomorrow and today. Every seed of love we plant, every promise that we keep, will become a field of blessings, growing strong and growing deep. Yeah, yeah. Years will pass like ocean currents, time will travel like the tide, but the love we give each other will forever stay.
can change another fate. So me sing beneath the sunrise, with gratitude inside my soul, for the journey and the lessons that have helped me become whole. May the music keep on playing, may the message travel far, may the world discover peace like a bright and shining star. Ocean of blessings forever flowing free, one love shining brighter across humanity. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame forever. Praise Jah's name. Yeah, yeah. Waves are moving, hearts are healing, drums are calling, love remains. One love forever, Rastafari. Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Hear the rhythm of the river, feel the warmth of the sun. Every heart has a story, every soul has a journey. One love. Oh, hey. When the morning light comes shining and the clouds begin to move, me hear the earth start singing with a beautiful old tune. The flowers open slowly, the birds begin to fly. Nature write another message across the endless sky. Me walk along the pathway with gratitude inside me chest, knowing every breath me giving is another precious test. The road may have some valleys, the hills may seem so high, but faith become the compass when me searching for the sky. Me remember all the moments when me almost lost me way, but love was always waiting, like the sunrise after gray. Every tear became a lesson, every struggle made me strong, every chapter of me story helped me find where me belong. When the river meet the ocean and the stars begin to shine, remember every journey has a purpose and a time. Well, golden river of love flowing from above, carry every dream and prayer across the world with care. One heart, one family, living in harmony. Yeah, through the sunshine, through the rain, through the rain, through the rain, love will rise again. Yeah, 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 yeah. Down the village in the morning, people greet the brand new day. Market stalls begin awakening as the workers find them way. Fresh fruit shining like treasure, music floating through the air. Simple moments become blessings when we learn to truly care. The farmer plant the future with his hands upon the land. The fisherman face the ocean, with courage as his plan. The builder raise the doorway where a family can belong. The singer share a melody, turning sadness into song. The teacher hold the candle, lighting minds of young and old, sharing knowledge like a river, more valuable than gold. Every person has a purpose, every life has something bright, every soul can be a beacon, bringing darkness into light. When the sunset touch the mountain and the evening breeze appear, hear the reggae drums awakening, bringing everybody near. Bass line rolling like the thunder,
separation in a song. Every voice can join together, every person can belong. From the island to the city, from the valley to the shore, love can travel without borders, opening every door. If you see a lonely stranger, give them kindness and respect. If you see somebody struggling, show them love they won't forget. A small seed can grow a forest, a small flame can light the night. One good deed can start a movement, one heart can spread the light. Like the river keep on flowing, never stop and never fear. Like the mountain keep on standing through the seasons every year. Like the eagle keep on flying with its wings against the wind. Keep believing in tomorrow, better days are waiting in. Teach the children about kindness, teach them how to live with peace. Let compassion be the language, let the hatred slowly cease. Protect the earth and all creation, keep the oceans clean and bright. Leave a world of hope and beauty for the generations coming after. When me look back at the journey, all the roads me had to take, me see every single moment, help the person me became. Not the riches or the fame, make a life truly complete. It's the love we leave behind us, and the arms we help to meet. So me sing another chorus, let the whole wide world hear. There is always hope tomorrow, there is always something dear. Keep your faith and keep your kindness, let compassion be your guide. With one love inside our spirit, we can walk the road with pride. Golden river of love flowing from above, one love shining endlessly across humanity. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will always rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praise God's holy name. Hey, river flow, yeah, river flow, hearts glow, music playing, love remaining, one love forever. Rastafari, Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari, turn up the rhythm, let the bass line breathe. From Kingston streets to every corner of the earth, music unite the people, one love forever. As the first light touched the sea, morning singing harmony, golden sunshine paint the sun, blessing every inch of land. Palm trees dancing side to side, moving with the ocean tide. Seagulls soaring far and free, writing circles over the sea. Me wake up with a thankful heart, every sunrise is a brand new start. Yesterday is gone away, today is another gift from Jah. Me no carry it inside, only truth to be me guide. Every breath remind me soul, love is what can make us whole. The market slowly come alive, keeping island dreams alive. People greet with smiling face, simple kindness, simple grace. Fresh fruit shining in the sun, showing blessings one by one. Life no perfect every day, still me choose a hopeful way. Though the mountains stand so high, faith can teach you how to fly. Though the river twist and bend, hope will guide you to the end. Reggae never sleeps, it lives inside
one strong. One love fills the air, healing hearts everywhere. Through the sunshine, through the rain, the music is the pain. The farmer walking through the field, trusting every seed will yield. The fisherman greet the dawn before another day is born. The baker rise while stars still glow, making bread with love to show. The driver start another ride, helping calm his far and wide. School bell ring across the town, little feet come running down. Teachers open doors of light, helping children dream so bright. Every lesson, every page, let's prepare another age. Knowledge planted deep today, guide tomorrow on its way. Grandma sing old melodies, floating softly with the breeze. Grandpa tell them years gone by, looking children in the eye. Every story hold a flame, keeping culture just the same. Roots grow deep beneath the ground, keeping every branch secure and sound. When the sunset kiss the bay, music chase the stress away. Bassline shake the evening breeze, echo through the coconut trees. Steel pan sparkle, sweet and clear, calling everybody near. Naya bingy drums beat slow, like the heartbeat down below. Young and old begin to dance, moving in a joyful trance. Hands clap with the steady groove, every soul begin to move. No one standing all alone, music make the world feel home. Different voices blend as one, shining brighter than the sun. If you see somebody cry, lift them spirit to the sky. If you hear somebody call, be the first to help them out. Love no asks for great reward, kindness is its own reward. Like the ocean never tire, keep alive, you're in a fire. Like the sunrise every day, never let hope fade away. Like the tallest mountain peak, strength is found in humble me. Like the stars above the sea, shine with love eternally. Yeah, guard the forest, guard the streams, protect every child's dreams. And the elders while them stay, listen to what them have to say. Plant good seeds in every heart, peace is where all healing starts. Across islands, across nations, different songs and celebrations, different colors, different names, still we share the self-same flames. Every heartbeat keep the time, like a universal rhyme. Every smile can bridge the space, joining every tribe and race. Years may come and years may go, still the reggae spirit grow. Every chorus, every verse, lift the blessing, break the curse. When the world feel cold and wild, music calm both man and child. Hope keeps shining like the moon, morning always coming soon, yeah. When me ear turn silver gray, still me sing each passing day. Though my footsteps may grow slow, inside will always grow. If my voice can comfort one, then my work is never done. If my song can plant one seed, that is all me truly need. So keep the rhythm burning bright, guide the traveler through the night. Keep compassion at the side, walk with courage, walk with pride. Every dawn a chance begin, let more love and peace come in. Reggae live forevermore, from every heart to every shore. Reggae never sleeps, its promise always keeps. One love shining like the sun, uniting everyone. Raise your voice, sing again, dance through dry and dance through pain. Through the sunshine, through the rain, reggae forever shall remain. Yeah, the rhythm keep playing, the bassline keep rolling. The people keep singing, the children keep smiling, the hope keep growing. One heart, one love, one music. Rastafari forever.
first light touched the sea. Morning singing harmony, golden sunshine in the sand, blessing every inch of land. Palm trees dancing side to side, moving with the ocean tide. Seagulls soaring, towering free, writing circles over the sea. As the first light touched the sea, morning singing harmony, golden sunshine in the sand, blessing every inch of land. Palm trees dancing side to side, moving with the ocean tide. Seagulls soaring far and free, writing circles over the sea. Me wake up with a thankful heart. Every sunrise is a brand new star. Yesterday is
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Hear the conga drum echo through the valley. Feel the bass line rolling like the mighty ocean. From the highest mountain to the deepest blue sea. One love, one heart, one destiny. Yeah. One destiny. Before the sunrise kiss the earth, Jah remind me what life worth. Golden rays begin to shine, showing every sign divine. Morning breeze through bamboo sway, greeting yet another day. Birds them sing from tree to tree, songs of hope and liberty. Me have walked through dust and rain, felt both happiness and pain. Every scar become a page, written in life's holy stage. Though the journey twists and bend, fate stay with me till the end. Me no fear what lies ahead, Jah provide me daily bread. Me remember every elder, teaching love can make you stronger. Never answer hate with hate, love alone can conquer fate. If you live for another soul, Jah will surely bless your role. Every smile you freely give, help another heart believe. Even when the clouds appear, never let them feed your fear. Every star must pass away, making room for a brighter day. One love will never die, like the stars up in the sky, burning brighter every year, giving every soul good cheer. Raise your hands and sing along, feel the power of this song. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will always rise again. Down the village laughter ring, hear the children dance and sing. Football rolling through the square, happy voices everywhere. Grandma cooking by the fire, sweet aroma lifting higher. Grandpa smiling on the chair, sharing wisdom full of care. The farmer wake before the dawn, working till the day is done. Seeds of faith in gently sow, trusting harvest soon will grow. The fisherman greet the tide with courage, always by him side. Every wave him calmly face, knowing Jah provide his grace. The carpenter shape each board, building homes with one accord. The tailor sew each colorful thread, helping families earn them bread. The teacher write up on the wall, showing knowledge helps us all. Every honest job we do makes tomorrow bright and new. When the sunset paint the sky, orange colors drifting high. Evening breeze begin to blow, moving soft and moving slow. Bass guitar begin to roll, touching every waiting soul. Steel drum sparkle, bright and clear, calling everyone, draw near. Naya binge drum beat deep, wake the promises we keep. Voices blend in harmony, like the waves upon the sea. Old and young all join as one, celebrating setting sun. No division, no disguise, only truth before our eyes. If your brother lose him way, stand beside him every day. If your sister start to cry, never simply pass her by. Kindness costs no silver kind, yet it help the hearts unite. Every loving act we share shows Jah's presence everywhere. Like the river never stop, keep on climbing to the top. Like the eagle riding wine, leave discouragement behind. Like the mountain standing tall, rise again after you fall. Like the light
Plant compassion everywhere. Make the future bright and fair. Across deserts, seas and plains, different languages and names, different colors, different face, still we share one human race. Every heartbeat sound the same. Every child deserves a name. Every mother hopes and prays for peaceful, brighter days. Never judge another man till you truly understand. Walk a little in him shoes, see the battles him go through. Mercy stronger than revenge. Love can always make the change. When forgiveness lead the way, darkness slowly fade away. Years may pass like flowing streams, still me hold on to me dreams. Reggae music, never old. Every rhythm, brave and bold. It remind you we stay strong. Turn the pain into a song. Lift the weary from the ground with the sweet uplifting sound. When me urge and silver grace, still me sing with joy each day. When me footsteps moving slow, still just blessings overflow. If me voice can heal one heart, then me life has played its part. If one soul choose peace instead, every word was worth being said. One love will never die, brighter than the morning sky. One hope never fade away, growing stronger every day. Sing, sing, sing together, hand in hand. Peace shall cover every land. Through the sunshine, through the rain, joy and faith shall always reign. One love will never die. Lift the spirit, reach on high. Yeah. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame. Forever praise Jah's holy name. Yeah, yeah. The drums still beating, the ocean still rolling, the children still laughing. The sun still rising, the love still growing. One heart, one family, one love forever. Rastafari.
Yeah, yeah. Rastafari. Hear the wind through the palm trees, feel the heartbeat of the islands. Every sunrise is a blessing, every heartbeat is a gift. Carry the light wherever you go. Carry the light wherever you go. Yeah. Hey. Before the dawn begins to break, we thank Jah for every breath we take. Golden colors fill the sky, like angels painting way up high. Morning dew upon the leaves, tiny miracles only faith believes. The river sparkle fresh and clean, reflecting every peaceful dream. Me have crossed the rocky hills, faced the storms against me will, still my spirit never tire. Jah keep feeding hope's bright fire. Every challenge shape my soul, every wound that make me whole. Though the road may twist and bend, faith remain me closest friend. Me no chase a crown of gold, love is worth much more untold. Riches fade like evening lights, but kindness keeps the future bright. Every helping hand we raise lights another person's days. Every word of honesty plants a seed of unity. Hey. If the cloud should hide the sun, never think the race is done. Every night must fade away, welcoming a brighter day. Carry the light wherever you go, plant good seeds and watch them grow. One love burning deep inside, with Jah always as you guide. Lift your voice and sing with pride. Let hope be your daily ride. Through the sunshine, through the rain, love will bloom again and again. Hey. Village roads begin to wake
bread baking by the lake, friendly greetings fill the street. Every stranger that you meet, children laughing, skipping rope, living every dream with hope. Old men smiling underneath the tree, sharing stories faithfully. The farmer bless the waiting ground, soon enough the crops abound. The fisherman greet morning tide with determination as him guide. The nurse bring comfort through the pain, helping strength return again. The teacher shape tomorrow's mind, leaving ignorance behind. Hey, every trade deserves respect, every effort has effect. Working hands build nations strong, turning right what once was wrong. Every honest drop of sweat leaves a legacy not forgotten yet. Evening settles soft and slow, golden sunsets gently glow. Baseline roll beneath the stars, healing hearts both near and far. Rhythm guitar softly cry, lifting spirits to the sky. Naya bingy drums beat low, like a river's endless flow. Everybody gather round, moving with the joyful sound. Young and old together dance, giving every soul a chance. Laughter echo through the square, positive vibes everywhere. Music bind what words divide, keeping every heart unified. If your neighbor stumble low, help them stand and onward go. If your stranger need a friend, open arms without pretending. Every blessing freely share, show the world somebody care. Like the lighthouse by the sea, guide the lost to liberty. Like the eagle soaring high, never fear to touch the sky. Like the tallest cedar tree, stand with strength and dignity. Like the sunrise after rain, hope will always rise again. Teach the youth feet, cherish peace, make the violence slowly cease. On earth respect the sea, protect all creation faithfully. Every flower, every tree, part of Jah's great family. Plant compassion, harvest grace, bring more smiles to every face. Though tomorrow's still unknown, love can make a place called home. Every culture, every land can unite with open hands. Different voices, different songs, still together we belong. Every heartbeat tells the same, we're all sparks from one bright flame. Time may age the strongest tree, still its roots grow faithfully. So me promise while me live, every day me have me give. If me words inspire one child, every mile has been worthwhile. If me song brings someone peace, then me joy will never cease. When the stars begin to fade and another dawn is made, we will walk the road again, through the sunshine and the rain. With a grateful heart and smile, we keep walking every mile, holding firmly to Jah's and sharing love across the land. No mountain too high to climb, no river too deep with time. Hope is stronger than despair when we learn to truly care. Keep the music in your soul, let forgiveness make you whole. Every day a brand new start, carry the light within your heart. Carry the light wherever you go. Let the whole wide world know one love shining endlessly across every land and sea. Raise your hands beneath the sky, let your dreams forever fly. Through the sunshine, through the rain, faith and joy shall always reign. Carry the light, carry the hope, carry the peace, carry the love forever and ever. Yeah, yeah. The drums still calling, the river still flowing, the children still dreaming, the sun still shining, the hope still growing. One love, one people, one destiny. Rastafari forever.
Yeah, Rastafari, hear the ocean calling.
steady moving, from the shore to the mountain top. Freedom living at the heart. One love. Oh, when the sunrise touch the water and the sky begin to glow, me hear the voice of creation telling stories from below. The palm trees dance with the breeze like them know a special song. Every wave that reach the shoreline say that hope can carry on. Me have walked through many seasons, seen the changes of the earth. I have learned that every moment has a value and a worth. Through the valleys and the mountains, through the struggles and the tears, me discover inner courage, growing stronger through the years. Me no chase after illusion or the things that disappear. Me hold on to love and kindness, keep the message loud and clear. For a heart that lives with mercy finds a treasure never sold, and a soul that walks with honesty shines much brighter than gold. Oh, when the ocean waves are rising and the storm begin to start, keep the faith that lives forever, keep the peace inside your heart. Oh, waves of freedom rolling through the sea, carry songs of love and hope, bring a better destiny. One love forever, stronger every day. Through the sunshine, through the rain, we will find our way. Morning wake across the island, hear the village come alive. People working with determination, keeping dreams and hopes alive. The farmer touched the fertile soil with respect and gratitude. The fisherman faced the ocean with a brave and fearless mood. The baker make the bread with care, sharing warmth from door to door. The carpenter build the shelter, making families secure. The teacher opened minds like flowers, helping children learn and grow. Every person has a purpose, every soul has a room for glow. Elders sit beneath the mango tree, sharing stories from before, teaching lessons about patience and the things that matter more. Youth them carry dreams tomorrow like a candle in the night. With imagination and courage, them can make the future bright. When the moonlight cover ocean and the stars begin to shine, hear the reggae drums awakening with a rhythm so divine. Bassline moving through the darkness like a heartbeat full of grace. Every song become a bridge, connecting every race. People dancing by the shoreline, feeling free beneath the sky. Every voice become a harmony, every spirit learn to fly. Music carry ancient wisdom, music carry dreams ahead. Every note become a blessing, every word become a trend. If you see somebody struggling, give them hope and give them care. If you see somebody lonely, let them know somebody's there. Love is like the endless ocean, always flowing, always wide. When we share it with another, it returns like ocean tide. Like the lighthouse near the harbor, be a guide through darkest night. Like the mountain standing proudly, hold your values firm and right. for land and sea. Show them love is greatest power, and compassion sets us free. Protect nature and creation, keep the earth a sacred place. Leave behind a world of beauty, filled with hope and endless grace. When the years become a memory, and the journey reaches far, they will leave behind a message like a bright and shining star. Not remembered for possessions or the things we used to own, but remembered for the kindness and the love that we have shown. So me sing beneath the sunrise, let the whole wide world receive. There is power in togetherness, there is strength when we believe. Keep the rhythm of compassion, keep the fire of unity. One love flowing like the ocean, forever wild and free. Waves of freedom rolling endlessly, songs of love and harmony for all humanity. Through the sunshine, through the rain, hope will rise again. Keep the rhythm, keep the flame, forever praise Just name. Yeah, Rastafari, 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 Rastafari. Hear the ocean calling, feel the ocean calling, feel the ocean calling, feel the rhythm moving. From the shore to the mountain top, freedom living at the heart. One love, when the sunrise touch the water and the sky begin to glow, me hear the voice of creation telling stories from below. The palm trees dance with the breeze, like them know a special song. Every wave that reach the shoreline said I